following is a public access program and does not...
This is a really big deal. Today's the day we're dropping off the 981 GT4 at Uncle Jimmy's at R1 Motorsport in Chatsworth, California. We're getting the Fabspeed GT450 package in the truck ready to go, and we're also looking at the GT3 throttle body. We want to throw that in there too, get as much airflow as possible. So again, Jimmy's going to install the GT450 race performance package. We're going to add on a GT3 throttle body, run this thing on E85. He's also going to lower it while it's there. We want to get the stance a little bit lower. Then we're going to take it to the track, see how it does with just those variables before we keep pushing the build even further. Listen to those burbles, that's stock. This is a second gear car. You can do a lot on the street in second gear. We're going to do a full bolt on, see what kind of power we can get on E85, including the GT3 throttle body, and then we're going to go for more. Maybe we have to unseal the engine. I don't know. We're going to do suspension, roll cage. I don't know yet. Lots to consider. All right, we are here at Uncle Jimmy's R1 Motorsport. It's the next morning. We had to head back to the race garage to get all of our Fabspeed components, and I want to show you right here. It is in the back of the truck. We're going to run over to R1, give it to Jimmy, probably give him like half hour to put on the exhaust, and we're everything is dropped off here at R1. IPD goodies, Fabspeed Catless headers, numeric short throw, and we do have our 82mm GT3 throttle body. Oh, can't wait. I had to come back because we left some parts here. Now back to Jimmy's, back and forth all day. Fabspeed did ship the GT3 82mm throttle body, which is much bigger than the stock GT4. I believe it's a 72mm throttle body. I need to double check. I have no idea. But I'm going to double check, but they did ship the GT3 throttle body, so that's going on. Jimmy, or Uncle Jimmy, over at R1 Motorsports, has been doing our exhaust for what I think is about 30 years or so. My father's been taking cars to him. He's pretty much closer to my age, and we have always used Jimmy. He has hands of gold. He is an incredible genius when it comes to custom exhausts and now full car builds. He's doing everything. We've been working with him since he was Royal Muffler, and now he's R1 Motorsports. Very proud to be working with him, and we wouldn't trust the GT4 exhaust to anyone else. So exactly how many cars has Jimmy from R1 Motorsports done for our family in terms of exhaust? Well, let's see. The 1955 Chevrolet 210. Love that exhaust. Big block 540 stroker. Sounded amazing. The 1983 Ford Bronco, 1998 Ford F-150 extended cab, the 2012 Ford Mustang Boss 302, 2017 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350, and now our 2016 Porsche 981 Cayman GT4. We are walking up here. I don't think Jimmy wants to be on camera today. The car and some of the stuff that they've done so far. Remember, we're doing the Fabspeed GT450 package, and we are doing some suspension lowering, mild stuff for right now, just to get us on the track ready to go. Guys, you're not going to believe this. Jimmy told me to be back at 2 to get some pictures. I'm going to tell you something. He's finished. The exhaust is on the car, you guys. It's done. I'm going to get some pictures real quick. I don't know if we're going to fire it up right now, but it's done. You got to check this out. Come look at this. Fabspeed kit is on, we're making progress. Mark. All right, guys, today's the day. We are hitting a cold start on the Fabspeed GT450 package here. We got here just in time in the morning. Let's do this. I am so ready for Mark.
And like a few seconds out, it's just make sure you press the button so the valve. Don't break it.
That's perfect for the street. Wow, you guys, that is something special. That is something special. That exhaust is
A public access program.
wow. The entire package is on, the intake plenum, the BMC filters, the throttle body, the Catless headers, the entire exhaust system, the numeric racing short throw shifter, the cables, and we still have to do remote tuning with Fabspeed, but we just got a little taste of what this exhaust is going to sound like. I am still speechless. Jimmy has done, and his team, Jimmy and his entire team have done a knockout job. They've always done a great job on our cars, but this has just been absolutely. Stay tuned. There's going to be more uploads. I'm almost speechless, just so excited. We've been waiting for this day for a long time. Stay tuned. We're going to do fast, snappy uploads, and we're going to take it a step at a time. We're going to do the powertrain, take it to the track, see how it works, see how it handles. Then we're going to do the suspension, see how it handles. We're possibly going to re-gear it, put a new limited slip differential in it, a whole bunch of stuff, roll cage, you know, just everything we possibly can. Blender, it'd be nice to... Anyway, subscribe now. We've got a ton of builds coming up. We're going to be working on a lot of cars. Thank you so much. Get this thing on E85, and we're going to get this thing to the track.
Public access.